is Becky Campbell, and I am going to demonstrate how to cut the templates out in an efficient manner. So I just use a long ruler and my paper cutter, rotary cutter that is for paper, and line the ruler up along the edges. I designed them so that you could cut them apart in multiples, so that you don't have to cut out in each individual. Okay, I've cut out horizontally so I can cut multiples at once. I'm going to just use my paper scissors, and I'm just going to cut along the lines. That cut gets you two sides at once. And when I have tried to find an economical way to have these pre-cut for you, but I haven't discovered that yet. So once I find that solution, then I would love to have them come to you pre-cut. But in the meantime, it's pretty easy to get them cut out. Okay, in 7 minutes I cut out 35 of the templates, and I love containers, so I like to make suggestions. These are in the travel section of anywhere, and they hold Q-tips. Oops, Q-tips. And you can just pop them open. They have a little tray. You can store your templates in there, and they stay nice and safe and clean. And you can see through it to know what you've got. So those are some tips on how to use the templates, how to cut them, and how to store them. This is Becky Campbell from Sew Forever, and this is English Paper Piecing Made Modern. Thank you.